guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to make donuts. For this you will need 2 white bread pieces, a glass, a chocolate. Which size is this? So first you need to open them and then put chocolate on one of them and then cover it with the second slice. Press it, then cut it with the glass. Then you need to press all the sides so that no chocolate comes out, and they're ready to be put in the oven. But first you need to put some butter on this. This is optional. If you want your donut to be spongy and crispy at the same time, you can put some butter, and if you don't want to put some butter, that's also okay. Now I can put it in the oven. And I will put it for 1.5 minutes. So the chocolate melts and it is very soft and also crispy. And once it cools down, you can serve it. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And till the next video, goodbye.